Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. I'm Peggy, and this is
Peggy-Jean.
our granddaughter, and she's come to stay with us for how long?
1 week.
7 days. And oh my gosh, she came with her outfit. She came with, and she's wearing one of her favorite dresses.
Can I do it now?
Yeah, sure you can. Any dress that twirls is a dress worth what wearing, isn't it? You love
Pretty
your
Dress
twirl.
2.0.
Pretty good.
So, because of this virus thing that everybody's dealing with, a lot of kids are not going to have Halloween trick or treat, right?
I mean, you could just go out and buy candy, but we're going to make homemade candy.
But here's a nice project for the
Yeah.
kids who can't go trick-or-treating.
Yeah.
Maybe the family can get together and make some of these little recipes. Make it a fun evening, right? Everybody can dunk for apples at home, but we're going to make something a little Halloweeny. What are we making?
Apple dentures.
Apple dentures. How Halloweeny is that?
You showed
Grandma
them
made
your
these
practice.
for the retirement home.
You
and
showed
they
them
loved
your
them.
practice.
Oh,
I
is this
showed them my practice.
your practice? Bring it up to the camera so they can see it good.
Look at that. We got some stained teeth on the sides. Beautiful. I wanted mine to be Halloween. Okay,
Now
don't
this
yell
does
at me.
have peanut butter.
There's 5 extras.
This does have peanut butter in it. So this is not a peanut friendly recipe. However, for people with peanut allergies, what could we use as an
We
alternative?
could use jam or honey.
That's right. So there's options. We just have to be creative. What's Grandpa doing?
He's going like this.
He's trying to make you not behave, isn't he? Okay, so I'll give you the clean paper towel. Ready? Let's build one. Let's show them how.
So first we go apple dunking. Okay.
Now what we did was we have what's in here?
Apples
Water,
and lemon juice.
lemon juice. And what does that do?
It stops them from going brown.
That's right. Just put a little jigger of real lemon.
Real
So
lemon.
peanut butter won't stick to a wet apple, guys. So she's drying the apple slices off. And you can have your grown-ups cut the apples into slices for you. I'm sure they won't
Or
mind.
if you do that, adult supervision is very, very, very recommended. If you do it alone.
Yeah. Don't do it alone.
Please don't.
Not if you're cutting.
Not if you're cutting. If it's
No.
a butter knife, it's okay. That's a little okay.
You can still get hurt
Still-
with a butter knife.
Still adult supervision.
Okay. It should be adult
Because I'm
super.
going to use knives.
Want to
butter
use
knives.
this one?
I want to use a clean one.
Besides, it's more fun as a family, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Because
Okay.
this one's still a little wet. Dry apple.
They can't see what you're doing when you're behind a dish. So we dry it well.
I think it's dried well.
Okay, now what do we do?
Now, we take our knives, adult supervision. I'm going to say that the whole video now.
How about I do one too?
Okay, you do this one.
Okay.
And then we put it on the apple like this. This is
You just need a little bit.
just
Right.
enough for the marshmallows to stick.
That's right. And you can use the white marshmallows. We just happen to have the colored ones, and it's
Because
kind
I
of
wanted
fun.
to make dehydrated marshmallows.
It's kind of fun doing it that way. There we go. Ready? Now what?
Decorate with the marshmallows.
Okay.
And make sure... Wait,
They've
I
all
can't
been
reach the other one.
separated for color.
So I want like this. This is rotting teeth. Yellow teeth. Stained teeth. And then this is bloody teeth.
Oh,
I'm just joking.
I know.
It's supposed to be like a gum or something.
like an
It's
infected
like-
tooth maybe?
No, it's supposed to be like a missing tooth and showing the inside of the mouth.
Oops. Grandma, way to go. Throw it around.
Now I put this right here.
Okay, so we have to follow the contour of the apple in order for the smile to create, right?
Don't do the lower edge of the apple, do the higher edge of the apple.
And then we're making dentures.
I want another pink.
Okay. Whatever you like. This is
Pick it
awesome.
up.
They're fun. I like
And
fun
again,
food.
the high side of the apple. Remember, high, not low. High side of the apple, facing. I need to turn this around with my other hand. And place it on top.
Can I turn it so they can see it? Look at that!
Smile versus my smile.
Want to put it in your paper?
Yeah.
Suki is being a little sucky baby because she knows the grandchildren, well, our granddaughter's here, and it means she can have some attention by being sucky-ish.
Oh, you're so cute.
So, there we go. There's another one.
How many slices do we have left in there? 2.
Okay, so you can make one more. And we
Oh,
place
oh
it
God.
in here,
This one's soaked.
and there's our denture.
Very soaked.
Put these all on a tray. Trust me, your guests, the kids, they're gonna love them. And they're fun, and they're healthy, other than the marshmallow. But come on, they're kids.
But come on, they're kids.
Yeah, what the
You
heck?
gotta get them some candy. I'm pointing at the candy box that you guys can't see.
Then why'd
I
you mention it?
Because I'm dumb.
No, you're not. Don't
I'm
ever say that about yourself.
I'm joking. Never say bad things about yourself. Life
That's
lesson
right.
learned.
Okay.
Actually,
I'll put the peanut butter on this one, and you put the teeth on this one. How's that sound?
That's a fly. Or an ant. I mentioned all the creepy things in this video.
Okay,
don't I?
so I want the stuff out of the way so they can watch this build.
Hallelujah.
Okay, ready?
Hallelujah.
Okay. Put your teeth in.
So what you want to do is, I'm going to do like, since I already did orange and yellow, I might do, might as well do another combination of pink and green. Be creative with your marshmallows, guys.
Yes, by all means, be creative with your marshmallows. The bigger the apple, the nicer the smile. We have small apples here today. There you go, sweetie.
I is a big brain apple. Therefore, I have a nice smile.
There.
Oh God, it's so small.
It's a little smile.
Oh.
All smiles are adorable.
Ta-da.
Let's see. There we go.
That's fine. I want to see that. Oh, they're beautiful.
Aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Now, isn't that a fun... Now, what if you went to a house party and they had these on a tray set out? Wouldn't that be cute?
Yes, that would.
And wouldn't it be fun to make them as a family together
Yes,
to
it
get
would.
ready?
Yes, it would.
A good idea from Mary Jane.
It just sticks out my tongue.
We want to thank you for watching the video today. We're going to have a lot of goodies with Mary Jane. It's going to be a hoot, right? We're going to spend some time together this week.
Yeah, I was gonna say at the beginning of the video, some of you might remember me, and some of you might also remember me right now. I was in the cooking video with the giant cookie. That was my idea. We were supposed to make like little cookies. We made a giant cookie.
It's fun to be creative.
If you haven't watched that yet, please check that out.
Want me to put that iCard right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Right there.
Or is it right there?
Where is it?
We'll figure it out when we see it on the TV.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
Maybe we
Andy's not here to do the ding, 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 so please remember to ring
Ding,
that
ding,
bell. Subscribe, share, have a good day, and happy Halloween from the Paige family.
Oh.
Were they fun to make, sweetie?
Yeah.
You know what we're doing right now? Getting a thumbnail.